Are the current crises in Iran and Ukraine likely to escalate into a global conflict? The lines are blurring fast, with drone attacks and economic chokepoints threatening to ignite a much larger war. You need to understand the stakes now. Iranian drones have been spotted in Ukraine, signaling Tehran's indirect involvement in the Russia-Ukraine war. Meanwhile, Ukraine is supporting Gulf states, blurring the lines between these two crises. The U.S. has responded by threatening to impose the toughest sanctions in history, showing how seriously Washington views this dangerous overlap. The world is already grappling with more than 56 ongoing conflicts, including the Russia-Ukraine war, the largest European conflict since 1945, and the military confrontation between Iran and Israel. These hotspots increase the risk of a wider global conflict as regional wars start to influence each other. The Iran conflict has revealed how precarious Asia's economic security is. The potential closure of the Strait of Hormuz, a vital oil shipping route, could trigger a historic crisis in global energy markets. This economic shockwave could draw more nations into the conflict, escalating tensions further. Russian forces recently attacked Kyiv, setting fires in multiple districts, escalating the Russia-Ukraine war. Iran has accused Kyiv of attacking its vessel in the Caspian Sea, adding fuel to the fire. These incidents show how quickly localized clashes can spiral into broader confrontations. The interaction between the Iran and Ukraine crises has the potential to dramatically reshape the existing world order. As alliances shift and sanctions tighten, the global balance of power is at a critical juncture. This could lead to a new geopolitical landscape unlike anything seen in decades. What this means for you is clear. These conflicts are not distant problems. They affect global energy prices, security, and economic stability that impact your daily life. Stay informed and prepare for possible ripple effects. Subscribe now for the latest updates on these critical global crises.